ONEBLADE CORE Sunday Shave. Now, I've been wearing this goatee for about 2 weeks, and I haven't shaved on the sides. I haven't done a cleanup in a few days. But you know, I don't know if the goatee has run its course. So I'm gonna do a cleanup shave, but you know, I may just shave it all off. Or maybe I'll shave half of it off and go with the Juan Valdez. But guys, I'm really excited about this ONEBLADE. Again, if you don't know anything about it, if you Google it, you'll know way too much about it because they'll follow you all over the internet. They'll micro-target you everywhere you go. But essentially, it's a single blade, but not an injector single blade. It actually has this single blade that fits right in to this head here. And if you can see that, it pivots sort of backward here. And this blade fits right in, snaps right into this head here. ONEBLADE CORE. And this comes in, I believe, 3 different colors, 3 or 4 different colors. I like the black with the nice chrome piece on the inside. Solid, good amount of heft. And this is in the $30 range. And their top of the line blade is called the Genesis. It looks very similar to this, but the head is made from the same alloy as the handle. Juan Valdez. So let me get the pre-shave routine going and we'll do the first ONEBLADE shave. I'm gonna go with the Nivea Men face wash, courtesy my boy B-Man. Skincare, pre-shave oil and protect. I'll leave links for all of these products in the description box below so you can pick them up. I'm gonna be using my Prorazzo shave foam. It's been my recent go-to. And we're gonna finish it up with a message from the Duke. Duke Cannon's ice cold aftershave balm. The Juan Valdez. I'm gonna lather up with my Prorazzo shave foam. Smells good. Has a nice little tingle to it. And right off the bat, for pass number 1, I'm gonna assume I'm gonna keep the goatee for another week. So I'm gonna just paint the areas around the goatee. And we'll do a first pass with the grain. Now the directions for ONEBLADE do specify the 3-pass technique, which you guys are familiar with if you watch this channel. 3 passes. The first pass will be shaving with the grain of the hair on my face. So the hair on my face grows down, shaving down will be shaving with the grain. Now, directions also say that you should approach the face at a 45-degree angle, a little bit more, a little steeper than the traditional, let's say, double edge razor, which is about 30. So 45-degree angle. If you can see, there's that single blade. And I'm shaving with the grain, shaving down, and the same technique, short strokes, and letting the device do the work. Not digging, nice, gentle, short strokes. And that's nice, guys. And you hear that blade doing the work? Oh, nice. Don't rush. Take your time, do it right. Wow. Now the directions also say that it may take you a little bit of time to perfect your technique. And I'm putting absolutely almost zero pressure And it's just nice, guys. It's nice coverage. It feels precise, like right around those markings. I feel like I have control of that blade. And I feel like I could really nip myself up if I don't take my time. But first pass, guys, baby smooth and close. All right, hair on your neck grows upward. So to shave with the grain for pass number 1, you're gonna flip the blade and you're gonna shave up. Again, 45-degree angle, short strokes. And take your time. Wow. And you feel that blade. I'm gonna have to say a more aggressive feel than your typical double edge. Feather blades, I'm told, are the sharpest blades on the market, guys. And it's almost like I'm feeling individual strands of hair being clipped. You hear that blade? The Juan Valdez. All right, I'm gonna go with the Adam's apple trick. If you wanna eliminate the Adam's apple from play so you can shave, you swallow hard and hold it. Which flattens that area and takes the Adam's apple out of play. All right, pass 1 is in the books, guys. And I'm feeling oh so fine. So we're gonna go with pass 2, which is gonna be a cross grain pass. I'm a little worried about the cross grain on my neck. I'm gonna be honest with you, because if you see how much exposure you're getting to that blade. Cross grain pass, again, I'm gonna use nice short strokes. I'm gonna take my time and let the device do the work. I like this, guys. I'm going to the other side. Very, very precise. Good control, good balance, and really good protection. Although it looks like you're pretty exposed to that blade, I haven't had a problem. But the proof will be in the pudding on my neck and the cross grain, and no problems, guys. Nick free so far. You hear that blade doing the work? Making short work of pass number 2. Pass number 2 in the books. All right, getting ready for the third and final pass, which is going to be my against the grain cut. Now I'm noticing that I did nick myself up here a little bit. Not necessarily a weeper, but a little bit of irritation. I'm going a bit too fast. Got a little overconfident there. But the more I use this blade, I'm sure the better I'm gonna get. So it has a little bit of a different feel, guys, than a traditional double edge. That feels good. All right, third and final pass will be the against the grain pass. Hair on my face grows down, so if I'm shaving against the grain, I'm gonna flip the blade up and shave upward on my face. Here goes nothing. Again, 45-degree angle. You hear that feedback, guys? As Vance would say. Look at that, and how sharp you can cut and trim on that line. Beautiful. ONEBLADE CORE. Average guy tested, average guy approved. I'm not even done with the shave yet, and I'm telling you I'm approving this razor. 45-degree angle. Take your time. Let the weight of the device do the work. And feel the smoothness. And hear that blade doing the work, yo. Right up on that line. Beautiful. All right, hair on my neck grows upward. So, traditional handle grip will have you shaving against the grain. And I'm just gonna shave down. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice, people. You hear that blade doing the work. I'm loving this ONEBLADE so much, I don't want to stop shaving. So I'm going to take the goatee off, the Juan Valdez. And I'm going to try it with ONEBLADE because, as you know, when you're getting long stubble, long hair, when you're cutting into it, it can be a bitch with a traditional razor. I'm going to see how ONEBLADE fares against this 2.5 week, 3 week stubble. And we're going to take this scruff off. Like a hot knife through butter. Using that 45-degree angle. Shaving with the grain. No clogging. But you definitely have to clean that blade enough. Look at that. No tugs. No pulls. Let's get rid of that too. Get rid of the soul patch. Oh yeah. I got the Papa Tuttle. Let's keep going. Take a little bit more of this off and free my face from fur. We'll go with the Tony Orlando. Tony Orlando. What do we think about the Tony Orlando? This is the extended cut. Again, the cross grain against the grain. The Juan Valdez. One blade core, very, very nice, guys. I'll leave it on the stand to let that air dry. Now I'm gonna rinse off my face with cold water, which will close the pores and get my face ready for the aftershave. Duke Cannon's Ice Cold Aftershave Balm to finish it off, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like the Juan Valdez? Or should I just go ahead and take it all off? Again, I'll leave links to all the products that I've used here in the description box below. That way you can shop on Amazon, have them sent to you, and you'll be doing something for the average guy while you're at it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Get out and enjoy your Sunday. Have a great time, and I'll see you again next time, which will probably be tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep pushing play. And now I'm going to go find out if I'm keeping this on, or I may be right back shaving this off today. I don't know if the goatee has run its course. I may just shave it all off. Or maybe I'll shave half of it off and go with the Juan Valdez. But we'll see.